Hello, I'm Dr. Shiv Kumar, orthopedic surgeon at Koshi's Hospital. This is regarding my patient by name Srinivas, aged around 53 years.
ನನಗೆ ಸುಮಾರು ದಿವಸಗಳಿಂದ ಬಲಗಾಲಿನ ತೊಡೆಯ ನೋವು ಬಹಳ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು.
He had visited the hospital with complaints of right hip pain. It's almost since 1.5 years. And he has consulted many places, following which he had dropped in here. After evaluation, we realized that he had right hip arthritis, secondary to previous trauma. Injury to the right hip around 15 years back, and he was operated for the same, following which his hip degenerated and it went into arthritis, and because of which he had pain and restricted movements. He was unable to squat or sit cross-legged. He was even unable to perform some activities like sitting on a bike.
ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅದನ್ನು ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನೇನು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನೇನು ಸಾಧಕ ಬಾಧಕಗಳಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಅವರು ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ರು.
He was evaluated, admitted, and the patient underwent total hip replacement for the right hip. Patient was mobilized the next day. He was ambulatory. Patient was even trained how to walk around, and following which patient was stable and we discharged the patient in a stable condition.
28ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ನನಗೆ ಹಿಪ್ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಜರಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ನೋವು ಇಲ್ದಂಗೆ ನಾನೀಗ ಮೊದಲಿದ್ದಂಥ ನೋವುಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಈಗ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದರಂತೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಹ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ.